Y'all, it's a lie. Listing every single day is an absolute lie. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through why it's a lie and what you should be doing. So consistency is a lie. It's one thing that you hear you need to be listing every single day. I'm going to link my YouTube live with Anna from last Friday. So the December 2nd live, she had the best month of her entire life, her entire reselling career, and she did not list a single day in the month of November. I'm going to tell you why it's a lie. The algorithm could care less about your listing. That's the lie. Listing is not for the algorithm. The algorithm doesn't care. The algorithm wants to make money. So yes, it is absolutely true. The more items that you have in the pot, or what's the saying? The more hands you have in the pot, the more chances you have of a sale, right? If you only have 2 items for sale, you have a better chance of selling something if you have 5 items. That's true. The listing and staying consistent is not for the algorithm though. I will link a video up here. It is not a checkbox in the algorithm that is going to make you sales. I'll link a video up here about what the algorithm actually does and why it's a lie. But essentially, the algorithm wants to make sales. It doesn't care if you're listing every day. It's not like, oh, Sarah Styles on eBay listed today, I'm going to show more items. There's 3 reasons that consistency matters. There's 3 reasons that Chris at Daily Refinement tells you reseller nirvana. And this is why we're starting with buyer behavior. Buyer behavior is what feeds the algorithm. Buyer behavior is what is going to feed your sales. So yes, listing a new item, if it's something that someone wants, is going to probably give you a sale. But it's not because you checked the box. It's not because eBay's like, hey, you're being consistent. Hey, you listed today. It's because of buyer behavior. If it's something that somebody wants, they're going to buy it. If it's something that's in demand, they're going to buy it. You have buyers who are very savvy buyers who, especially depending on the categories that you sell in, they have certain searches turned on, right? And you probably have noticed this. You're like, that item was on a search, right? You list it and within an hour, it's sold for full price. This is why listing matters, because the buyers are looking for your items. If you're listing every single day and you're listing items that nobody cares about, it doesn't matter. Your listing every single day is not going to matter. It's about the quality of it. It's about the buyer behavior and showing up in filters and showing up in places. And if someone sees an item and they're like, oh, that's a good item, and then they go to your store and buy something else, friends, it's buyer behavior. It's not the actual task of listing every single day that is going to make you sales. It's about buyer behavior. The second thing about listing every day and being this consistent, it's about building your habits. It's not about the eBay checking a box or Poshmark or whoever it is. It's about building your habits of being consistent. And when you're consistent in your entire business, your sales are going to start being consistent. And it's not just about listing. It's about being consistent, making sure that your store's health is healthy on a consistent basis. I'll link a video up here of things that you need to be looking at to make sure that your store is healthy. It's not just about consistently listing every single day. This time is more important than ever to be making sure that your store is healthy. Things are going to get harder and harder and harder as we move further into the recession. People have less money. They want to spend less. You have more people getting into the game. You have more, in my realm, you have a lot more retailers that are getting into it and going to be pushing the small sellers out of it. Checking on your store's health and doing this on a consistent business, sourcing consistently, shipping consistently, everything that it takes to be a reseller and make consistent sales. That's what matters, building your habits. So yes, listing every single day, whatever works for you, that's what matters, is because if you can stay consistent, you can have a consistent business. It's not about checking a box on the eBay algorithm. And then thirdly, and ultimately, the reason that you want to be consistent, check your store's health and make sure that things are moving the way that they should be moving. I mentioned Chris at A Daily Refinement, and he does reseller nirvana. This is one of the things that he checks the box and recommends on selling as many items as you're listing. And the reason for this is there's not some magic algorithm. The reason for this is if you can get to a point to where your store is healthy and you are selling the items that you're listing, you can now have consistent sales. You can now track and say, hey, last month I was selling as many items as I'm listing. This month I'm not. There's a problem in my store. There is a problem in what I am doing. Let me go figure out what it is. It's not about listing every single day to sell every single day. It's about more and deeper than that. And when you can have consistent sales, you can then predict and you can move into full time and you can figure out when you're not having consistent sales exactly what it is. It's about having consistent sales so that you can have a consistent cash flow and you're not so much on this roller coaster, and you can forecast, hey, I made $5,000 this month. I know exactly what I did to make $5,000. I want to make $10,000. If you have all of these metrics and you're making consistent sales at $5,000, you can move up to $10,000 and you can forecast what it's going to take to get there. So yes, a little clickbaity. It is a lie in the sense of the algorithm does not care at all about your listing every single day. It's important for the 3 reasons that I said. If you guys like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video, I will link a playlist here of how to make money reselling. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to learn how to make money reselling and join my YouTube membership for more support.